Please welcome your host.
Of course, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sa mga guests na parang baga naman dyan. Okay, thank you so much. My name is Candace and I will be your host for this event. So to everyone, welcome here at Villa Carranzo. Of course, the debut of Madeline Irish. And this time, to check the energy level of our guests, let's give a warm welcome to Daddy Jefferson and Mommy Jason together with Maddie's brother Aldrich. I'm Simon Agasser. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman. So ladies and gents, ang ganda at ang gwapo at ang handsome po ng kanyang mommy. Ayan, daddy no po. So alam na natin yung matutunghayan nating napakagandang debutant later on. Ready na ba kayong i-welcome ang ating celebrants? Kan po natin ang ating mga cellphone and kindly open the flashlight of your cellphone. Ayan, buksan po natin ang ating cellphone. Ayan, yung mga flashlight po. And itututok niyo po yan kay Maddie as she enter and walk po sa ating red carpet. So once again, please open the flashlight of your cell phone as we welcome our celebrant. And also, kindly please pa-off po ng ating lights. So lights and sound please. Padim, o kahit padim lang po, padim. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much. Ladies and gents, tonight calls for a grand celebration. And it is my distinct pleasure to introduce to you the reason why we're gathering here. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give resounding applause as we welcome the lady of the hour, our lovely debutant, the beautiful and talented Miss Madeline Irish Agasser.
Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try to find gravity. I think I'll try to find gravity, and you won't want me now. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change. I try all too long I've been free of losing love. I guess I lost, but if that's love, it comes much too high and fast. I think I'm trying to find gravity. Kiss me goodbye, defying gravity, and you won't bring me down.
From a little girl that she was to a beautiful young lady that she is today. And just like a maiden that was once lost in the forest, but has found herself and became the woman that she chose to be. A pleasant evening, everyone. Welcome to a night of gratitude, a night of thanksgiving, and a night of celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the debut celebration of Miss Madeline Irish Agasser. Together, let's feel the last night with fun, thrill, excitement, and the beginning of journey to womanhood. Let's give her a big round of applause. So if you can't find me, look to the western sky. As someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those around me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. You're flying high, defying gravity. And soon I'll match the Marina. And nobody and all of us, the wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Bring me down. Ladies and gentlemen, at the count of three, let us all shout happy birthday in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. I'll like picture taking for your family and please remain standing. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ernesto Agasser Jr. Picture mo na po, sir. Thank you so much. Isaiah Agasser. Once again, Aldrich Isaiah Agasser, picture po, please. Thank you so much. To be followed by Mr. Joel Estudillo. Keep on dancing. To be followed by Jerickson Agasser. Once again, Jerickson Agasser, picture taking po, sir. Picture taking, then keep on dancing as we welcome Mr. Jason Agasser. Ladies and gents, pwede po kayong pumalakpak sa ating mga participants. Alright, thank you so much.
roses and leather. Let's welcome Mr. John Christopher. Once again, Mr. John Christopher Estudillo, picture taking po, sir. Next in line, we have Mr. Ram Gonzalez. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gents. Once again, Mr. Ram Gonzalez, picture taking po. Alright. Usog mo na po kayo, backward, palabas na po kayo ng reception. Okay. Next in line, we have Mr. Adrian Celeste. Thank you so much, Sir Adrian. Picture taking po, picture. Next in line, we have Mr. Romy Clavecillas. Once again, Mr. Romy Clavecillas, picture taking po. To be followed by Sean Serio. Keep on dancing, sir, as we welcome Sean Serio. Thank you so much, Shan Serio. Shan Serio, picture taking mo na po. And keep on dancing as we welcome Aaron Josh Baay. Thank you so much. Picture taking po, Mr. Aaron Josh. To be followed by Mr. Robert Aaron Cruz. so much, Sir Robert. Picture taking po and keep on dancing as we welcome Mr. Jomar Vergara. Thank you so much, Mr. Jomar Vergara. Picture taking po and keep on dancing. Next in line, we have Mr. Oti Romance. Thank you so much, Mr. Odi. Picture taking po and keep on dancing as we welcome next in line. We have Mr. Wilmar Bongalosa. Thank you so much, Sir Wilmar. Picture taking po tayo. Next, we have Zid Rabiales. Mr. Zid Rabiales. Thank you so much, Sir Zid. Picture taking muna po. Thank you so much. As we welcome, next we have Linjan Calavasilias. Picture taking, boyfriend of our celebrants.
Tumalay kong arana para sa dalagang walang kasing ganda. Amoy roses ang alimuyak kung nanaisin ng tadhanang mapanin lang. Di hahayaan mawala pa tong liham na umaasang mata mong mababasa. Handang gawin lahat maging sana dalawa siyang huli at hanggang isa. Papatunayan ang unang pag-ibig ay di mawawalan. Nakailang tula na ba't di
Thank you so much, John Briggs! Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gents. Picture po. And next we have once more Aldrich Isaiah Agusor, the brother of Maddie.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says you want my kiss, if you make this make no. I'm not talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Ay ko ane, chucking mo fina anane, chucking mo fina ane. Shot by shot, so jumping, you may hold it again. Next to me, big about cheeks, I tell you life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. Ay ko ane.
Thank you so much, the brothers.
And now let's welcome her father, Mr. Jefferson Agusor, to dance. This dance represents the traditional love, guidance, and support that Sir Jefferson has provided to Maddies throughout the years. Let's watch as they share this tender moment and celebrate the love and connection that only a father and daughter can share. Palakpakan naman po natin, ladies and gents, the father and daughter dance. Thank you so much, Manny.
Maddie, happy birthday, Apo. Sana madali matupad mo lahat ang dreams mo. Yun lang. Nay, huwag na, be.
Iyak! Wala! Mama, nandito pa ako.
Ma'am, birthday po ito. Okay, wag po kayo umiyak. Thank you so much for that heartfelt greetings, Ma'am Caridad. Next naman is Ma'am Edna Agusor. Ma'am, wala pa pong message. Apo, na-advance po yung iyak niyo.
My little baby, now a young lady. I wish you all the best. Alam kong marami kang goal. You're a God-fearing child, a loving daughter, a being grand. You're so sweet. For me, you're almost perfect, dear.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Edna. Picture po. To be followed by Ma'am Mercy Clavestillas.
Happy birthday, Mother, Ate. Yung dating baby noon is now become a beautiful lady. Yung dating kinakarga-karga ni Romy namin na maliit na bata, nakakagulat. Matanda na kami. Dalaga ka na. Wish ko, Del, makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At isa lang ang sasabihin ko, wag na wag kang makakalimot sa taas at sa lahat ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Rowena. Picture po. Next in line, we have Ma'am Juvie Dorano.
Ang ganda-ganda mo. Happy birthday. Sobrang ganda mo. Simple lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Ando doon na yung lahat ng talent mo. So, continue to shine lang. Shine bright like a diamond.
Ma'am, sample daw po ng Shine Bright Like a Diamond. Alright. Next in line, we have Ma'am Catherine Romance. Kala ko kakanta si Ma'am. Okay. Ma'am Catherine Romance.
Thank you. Hi, Maddie girl. So, alam mo na yung masasabi ko sa'yo. Kasi, lesson na natin yan sa community. Unlad, unahin natin lagi ang Diyos. So, wag na wag mong kakalimutan, lalo na sa next journey na talagang mas haharapin mo na ang reality ng mundo. Pero don't worry kasi maraming taong naka-alalay sa'yo. Amen. Love you, girl.
Thank you so
Picture
much,
po ba?
ma'am. A picture. To be followed by Ma'am Karen Backseed.
Hi, Maddie. Happy birthday. Ito, simple lang din, sister. Kasi, always, alam mo yan, quiz to. Joke lang. Ito, madali na to sa'yo kasi lagi ko na to nakikita sa'yo. Rejoice always. Pray always. Be grateful always. We love you, sister. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Karen. Next in line, we have Ma'am Rowena Romance.
Hi, Maddie! Happy birthday. Ang ganda mo naman. Manang-mana ka sa nanay mong maganda. Anyway, we are so happy kaming Sowers kasi naging member ka ng Sowers community. And I know na love mo na mag-serve kay Lord. So keep on serving the Lord and always remember na mahal ka namin. Love you!
Thank you so much for that message. Next in line, we have Ma'am Kat Dagangan. Ma'am Kat Dagangan, next in line.
Hi, Maddie. Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. And if kailangan mo ng makakausap, nandito lang ako.
picture po. Thanks po, ma'am. Next in line, we have Sailene Yamio.
Hello. So, ayun, Mads, alam mo naman lahat, pero thankful ako na nakilala kita this grade 12 year natin. And I'm so thankful dahil nandyan ka palagi sa amin, sa Milo Everyday, di ba? Thank you dahil naging, na-inspire ako sa'yo as a leader. Yun. Happy legality, Mads. Love you.
Thank you, Ms. Sailene. To be followed by Ma'am Mary Ann Guevara.
Hello, Amandeline. Happy birthday. I know na you are so blessed, especially having the masigasig, masisipag, masayahing magulang. And they are also blessed for having you. Hindi ka lang blessed having them, pero blessed ka with skills, with the right attitude, and hindi ka magkakamali sa buhay kasi naturo sa'yo paano mag-obey sa iyong mga parents. And there's a promise ng mahaba at mapagpalang buhay kapag marunong sumunod sa magulang. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Thank you for that inspirational message, ma'am. Next in line, we have Ms. Eliza Tanyapin.
So, hi Mads. So, aware ka naman na it's almost 2 years since we've last met, no? And I'm so happy at the moment. I actually prepared a message sa phone ko, pero the moment I saw you, parang sabi ko, magsasabi na lang ako ng words ko sa kanya kasi I'm so happy to see you again. And natutuwa ako because ikaw pa rin yung Maddie na kilala namin na... No, what I mean is, ikaw pa rin yung ray of sunshine sa buhay ng ibang tao. And to see you grow into and ma-build into womanhood, I'm so happy to be with you. And just so you know, I missed our coffee dates after class or the McDo dates na hindi tayo pinayagan sa SM, you know. And ayun, I guess I will just send the message to you later. And happy birthday, I love you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next in line, we have Ms. Lay Ligutan. Ms. Lay Ligutan. Be followed by Ma'am Eva Mateo.
You're so pretty! Happy 18th birthday, Madel. So, we're so blessed na nakasama ka namin sa community ng Flames of Fire for Jesus at buong community ay nagbumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. We're so blessed kasi yung mga talents mo ay talagang patuloy mo na ginagamit at naniniwala ko na patuloy kang nagiging positive influence. So, bloom where you are planted. God bless. Love you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Eva. Next, we have Justin Cruz.
Hi, Maddie. Welcome to adulthood. Yan, 18 ka na. And I am so proud of you. Okay, sige, wag daw. I am so proud of you. Alam mo naman yon. And thankful ako sa existence mo. Sobra. You taught me a lot of things yan. At a young age, marami akong natutunan sa'yo. You taught me how to heal in everything that hurts us. Yan. Ano, I hope you become smarter, prettier, stronger, beautier. Lahat ng Yan, I'll always be here for you. Through ups and downs, till death do us part. Yan. Kailangan mo man ako, hindi, andito lang ako. Always. I love you.
Thank you, Justine. Next, we have Ashtin Yao.
Ay, sorry na kaagad. Ang dami kong sinulat. Ay,
Okay lang yan.
I would like to say that I feel honored to be here as one of the 18 candles for someone who's grown into such an incredible young woman. Ano yan? It feels like yesterday when we would always see each other and do everything together. Especially pag maraming ganap sa simbahan. Now, we rarely see each other. 18 is such a special age. It's a moment where you're no longer just dreaming about your future, you're starting to shape it. Knowing you, I have no doubt it'll be a future full of success, laughter, love, and purpose. Sana by the time na yung distance natin sa isa't isa is mas malayo than it is now, hindi natin makakalimutan yung sisterhood and closeness natin. Thank you for letting me be part of this moment in your life. I hope this year brings you clarity, courage, and a deeper love for yourself and the people around you. Keep growing in your faith and continue to be unapologetically you, funny, caring, and full of fire. To my Kikay sister, na laging na-influensyahan sa mga binibili ko, I hope for more deep talks and memories with you. Happy 18th birthday, Maddie. Ay, wala na, ayoko na. I'm so proud of you. I love you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Picture po to be followed by Jessie Cruz. Miss Jessie Cruz. Next, we have Sigrid Bolbona.
Sabi ni Kuya, uyak daw ako. Kailangan daw sa video. Yay, joke lang. Anyways, happy birthday. Sobrang plakado. Sa gown. Alam ko na pinatunayan mo na hindi ka lang babae. Kasi isa kang dakilang anak, tapos manlilingkod ng simbahan, sobrang buting estudyante. Yung ibang message, PPM ko na lang sa'yo, nak. Happy birthday, Amadi.
Thank you, ate. Uy, picture ko na.
Ay, picture ba?
Next, we have Miss Kate Magosara.
I just wanna say thank you for being the class president. Kasi sobrang makulit po kami sa room and magugulo po kami. Kaya thank you for the patience na pinaglalaanan mo. And also, thank you for being as a leader. Kasi nga, kahit minsan lang tayo magkagrupo, marami akong natututunan sa kanya. And I just wanna say, I just wanna wish you all the love and happiness. Good luck sa college! Happy legality! Thank you. Ay, sorry.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Malu Martinez.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday. Anak, I will still call you Madel. Kasi doon po kami nasan. Tang bata. Nawala nung ako na. Yeah. Time na she started singing for the Lord and I'm so blessed to hear you again at the top of your voice, glorifying God. Isa lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa iyo, anak. Keep shining for Jesus. Whatever ang mission mo, keep shining for Jesus. God bless.
Thank you so much. And of course, last but definitely not the least, the beautiful and also talented, like Maddie, the mother of our celebrant.
Nanggugulat ka, kuya.
Pasabog pala.
Walang iiyak sa pamilyang to. Uwe.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case,
Huwag umiyak!
I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars are free, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down.
Iyak na.
No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel
I love you, anak. Laging nandito lang palagi si Mami sa'yo. Kahit ano pa yung maging path na tatakakin mo, nandito kami palagi ni Daddy sa'yo, nandito kami ni Aldric, nandito kami ng mga coordinators at nakikita mo yung mga taong nagmamahal dyan. Ganyan kadami, times 2 ang nagmamahal sa'yo. We love you so much.
and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing new yet, or like me, like me. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Happy birthday, anak.
Thank you.
Heard you feeling nothing's going right. Why don't you let me stop by? The clock is ticking.
Alright, thank you so much. And group picture po and wacky pose naman this time. Ayan. Alright. At katulad po ng ating first kayo din daw po ay hindi manggiging KJ dahil kayo po ay sasayaw din po to the tune of Apathy. Alright. So, kunin po natin yung mga candles muna para makapag-dance ng bongga ang ating 18 candles participants. Let's go, everyone! Of course, papalakpakan po yan ng ating mga bisita para naman sila'y ganahan ng bonggang-bongga! So, very basic lang po yun. Gaganyan lang po kayo. Ay, alam ni ma'am, oh. Sabi ko sa inyo, alam na alam niyo yan. So, this time, DJ, hit the music!
Game start!
One more time! 18 candles, thank you so much!
Ano po ang inyong advice para kay Maddie?
Magandang gabi. Happy birthday. Malayo na yung narating mo. Malayo pa yung mararating mo. Ang pinakamahalaga, i-enjoy mo lang. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Next po.
Anak, happy birthday. You are a blessing to us. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yung maganda mong pangarap. Palagi ka lang magdadasal at kung ano yung desire ng puso mo, ibibigay niya yan sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Tuloy lang ang buhay. I love you, Madel. Happy birthday.
Ayan, ako ulit. Stay sweet to your brother, to your parents, at sa lahat ng mga taong nakakasalamuha mo. Siyempre, pati sa amin. Di ba? Happy birthday.
Next po.
In happy birthday. I know for good. I know you're that. So continue and also beauty for inside and out. So yung talent mo, so continue to grow everything. Yun lang. So thank you so much and happy birthday. I love you, baby.
Happy birthday, Madel. First of all, before I share my birthday greeting to the debutant, I just wanted to thanks Kuya Jeff and Ate Jaisal for letting me be a part of Madel's milestone. So back to Madel, happy 18th birthday. So we have not known each other for a very long time. But in that very short time, I know that you have a kind and genuine heart. So keep being a blessing to others. So kasi I've known you sobrang jolly. Parang you make it's like your life of the party. So keep being, ikaw yung hahanap-hanapin sa party. Parang ganun. Parang hindi masaya kapag wala ka. Di ba, first time mo ako pinag-TikTok nun. Kaya yun, thank you. Again, happy birthday. And ayun, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next po.
Happy birthday, Maddie. First of all, I want to say thank you for being part of our life. We know how God has given you so much blessings that you also be a part of others' blessings too. And ako masaya ako kasi nakita ko yung journey mo from the very start. From small like this hanggang ngayon. And masaya kami ni Brother Angel na kami ay nagiging parte ng buhay mo at sa journey mo. And we are happy and we are excited sa bago mong journey na mangyayari. Ngayon magka-college ka na, yes. And alam ko maraming stress, pero I know you will still put God in the center of your life. God bless you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you so much. Okay, next.
Happy birthday, Maddie. Una, maraming salamat for accepting me to be, naging kuya mo ko. Pangalawa, naging kaibigan mo ko. And pangatlo, naging ninong mo ko. Maraming salamat kasi isa ka sa mga tao sa community na nag-fulfill ng longing ko to have a sister. And I am forever grateful dahil sobrang genuine mong tao, kaya ang dami rin nagmamahal sa'yo. So continue journeying with God in this womanhood. Kaya enjoy this life with your parents, with your family, and with the community. God bless you. I love you.
Thank you so much po. Alright, so sir, kayo naman po.
Happy birthday, Madel. So, marami ka pang pagdaraanan. Siyempre, though 18 ka na, dalaga ka na, pero marami ka pa rin struggles and challenges na pagdadaanan na hindi mo kailangang i-face mag-isa. Okay? So, nandito palagi yung family mo, especially si Ate Jeff mo, tsaka si Mami Jaisel. And alam ko naman na hindi mo nakakalimutan magdasal. So, ang gusto ko lang, ang wish ko lang para sa birthday mo is matahak mo yung career na makakapag-fulfill sa'yo. No? So, if ever man maramdaman mo, ma-heartbroken ka, mag-fail ka, huwag mong kakalimutan na laging nandito yung family mo. Si Tito, laging nandito. Okay? So, nandyan man sila, wala sila, nandito ako para sa'yo. Okay? I love you, Madel.
Thank you so much. Our 18 Blue Bills. Group. Alright, and as we sing happy birthday song to Maddie, of course, isasabay natin ang birthday ni Aldrich, the brother of our celebrant. Okay lang ba? Alright, so everyone, let us all sing together. Of course, Aldrich is celebrating also his birthday. Ayan, so well, birthday. Ready? Let us all sing happy birthday, DJ, hit the music! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kumanta po tayong lahat ng masaya. Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One more time, yung pinakamasaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. All right, whenever you're ready, make a wish first. Make a wish first. And whenever you're ready, you can now blow the candles. Okay, make a wish. Wish. And whenever you're ready, once again, blow the candle. And at the count of 3, let us all shout happy birthday in 3, 2, 1. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard.
Special edition and your AI couldn't copy. I'm leaving clues in the fit and it's hot tea. No, I'm not thinking about no exes, no, they miss me. I got the whole room spinning like a Pepsi. Don't bars, take it to the chorus. Keep your head down, yes, I'm like That's got him obsessed like was daily when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to plan, tell me where you get this news. Be my own product and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships.
Grabe naman.
Okay, happy birthday, Maddie. Itong gift ko na to, one word to describe it, freshness. Yan, yun lang i-describe ko sa gift na to. So, ang wish ko sa'yo and ang prayer ko lagi sa'yo is sana lahat ng prayers mo matupad mo in perfect timing ni God, syempre. And just stay and kapit ka lang kay Lord. Huwag mo siyang iiwan kasi hindi ka niya iiwan. Happy birthday! Hi, Sister Maddie! Happy birthday! So, may continuation yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Always. Ngayon, God is with you always. Ito yun. Yun lang. Happy birthday! Ibibigay na ba? Ay, hindi pa? Sige. One word to describe, fragrant. Okay. So, I hope that when you use this, it makes you feel good. It reminds you that God is good and that life is good. Happy birthday! Hello, Bebe. Happy birthday! One word to describe blossom. Because I know na sa pagdating pa ng panahon, mas lalo kang mag-bloom by praise of God. And I pray that everything that you do, you give glory to Him always. Love you! Hi, ate. Happy birthday. One word to describe charming. And just like you, and the message ko lang is, whatever you choose sa life, choose happiness. Yeah. Happy birthday, Ate Madel. Sa akin, etong binili kong gift, para, alam ko lagi mong dala to, para to remember me rin.
Thank you so much, Tina po.
Hello po, good evening. Good evening. With regards to this gift, yesterday lang talaga kami nakahanap ng gift. So, iniba-iba namin yung gifts namin. So, I don't know how to describe this. Siguro clutch. But you may use this every day. Like, nandun to sa wish list mo. May make sure namin na nasa wish list mo to. So, I know we're not that close, but nakikita ko kung gaano ka kasipag na bata and I know marami yung mararating mo sa buhay. Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung legality and more adventures sa life. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, ma'am. And for your message, maraming salamat po. And sige po, abot naman natin yung Ayan ka sila step po. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, our 18 directors. Maraming Sailin Yamillo.
Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
So, good evening everyone. I am Sailina Siami, a friend po ni Maddie. So, my KK gift for Maddie is, Maddie, katulad mo to, sobrang elegant.
Thank you so much. Ayan. Picture po with Maddie. Okay, hanap po tayo ng bonggang introduction. Okay, ready? Next po, we have Justin Cruz.
Takes out your diet. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from
Okay.
it, she said,
So, what's your KK gift?
Hi! This Kikay gift po, this is for a young and beautiful you. Actually, unexpected tong gift na to kasi kasama ko siya nung pinili niya to. So, Kikay gift.
So, alam na pala niya. Okay. Alright, so, picture mo na po. So, I guess ito natin ilagay.
En la cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, nos quiere.
Our next in line is Miss Crystal Joy Buenaventura.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene.
Ganda! Ma! Sikip! At higit sa lahat, Ma! Pagmahal! Good evening everyone, I am Crystal Joy D. Benaventura po, friend po ni Maddie. So yung Kikay gift ko po sa kanya is nagsisimbolize as beauty and elegant. So, Maddie, happy 18th birthday. Ikaw pa rin yung president ko. Kahit hindi na tayo mag-classmate, press pa rin kita. And gusto ko rin mag-thank you kasi yung ginawa mo sa akin last year, ikaw yung sumalo sa akin nung nag-18 Dibo rin po ako. Kasi nagkaroon ng problem din po. Tapos sinalo po yun ni Maddie. And thank you so much. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you so much. Grabe yung entrance. Ganun dapat. Okay? Sige, abangan natin ang susunod. Ladies and gents, let's welcome Ashton Yao. Ay! Siya pa di pa pakabog si Ashton.
Good evening po. Good evening ulit, Maddie. Ikaw na naman. So, ano po, sobrang... Hindi ko po kasi alam kung anong bibilhin ko kay Maddie kasi, tinanong ko po siya, Maddie, anong gusto mo? Sabi niya, kahit ano. Tapos sabi ko, ano yung kahit ano? So, I got her a little bit of everything kasi yung mga gusto ko po is gusto niya rin. So, happy birthday!
Thank you so much. Brought to you by SM. We got it all for you. All right, next, we have Kiana Rayon.
Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene.
So, hello nga po pala. Ako si Kiana Rayo. At etong gift na inanda kay Maddie, masimbolo ko siya as, since mahilig siya sa music, and gustong-gusto niya to talaga, tinatanong niya to, Be, magkano yung ganyan mo? Ayan, nabili ko na para sa'yo. So, yun nga ulit, happy birthday, Maddie. Stay beauty, smart, basta lahat na sa'yo, okay na yan. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. Alright, syempre hindi naman magpapakabog sa rampa si Mafe Jurado. Ay, grabe.
Good evening, everyone. Ako nga pala si Sikip. Nipi! Ayan, okay. Si Mafe. So, I don't have any idea kung ano yung bibigay ko kay Mads nung mga nakaraan. Pero kahapon lang, parang nag-come up ako sa idea na yung bagay na to is sana mapuno mo. Ayun lang. Thank you!
Meron pa puti. Picture po. Meron pa payat. Okay, syempre hindi naman papakabog was Princess or Denisa. Ay! Energy mo mo. Busog yan.
So, stop. Wait lang.
Hello, ako po pala si Princess and you can call me Love or you can call me later na lang po. And then po, ang pangarap ko po sa buhay ay isa lang po, ay si Maddie. At yun, ay ang nabigay ko po sa kanya is shining, shimmering, splendid na shadow dahil alam ko po, magniningning po siya ngayong gabing ito.
Thank you so much. Call me later. Ay, princess pala. Okay, next in line, we have Miss Eliza Tanya Queen.
She tastes like cola.
Ay,
Sweet, sweet.
mga model pala yung mga kaibigan ni Matthew. Ay,
Sip from her lips. She's sitting on a drip. She kicks me up and
kapog.
because she
Kakaiba, oh. Oh. Model ng paper bag.
when I took a sip.
Standing in front of... Ay! Hindi, sige, wag na. So, ayun, going back, i-explain ko kung ano yung gift ko sa'yo, but I won't tell you what it is. So, since college is coming, you know, I want to give you this object, to let you know that I am willing to share the heaviness you feel every time you feel down. Just like this thing do in your everyday living. And, yes. And I hope magustuhan mo yung gift ko. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. Siya pa yung may birthday. Ako bibigay mo sa akin eh. Okay. Next in line, we have Isabella PC.
Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música.
From the land of Parañaque, my name is Isabella Angeliana Pisig, and I thank you. Di ba tapos? So, kakantaan sana kita, Mads, kaso baka lamigin ka. So, yung gift ko kay Mads is, alam ko kasi mahilig siya dito, so, binili ko na. Ito na, para sa'yo na to. Happy birthday, Mads. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much for that Kikay gifts. Ma'am Isabella. All right. How about another Isabella? Siyempre, hindi magpapakabog. Isabella Chavez! Yung gift namin. Huwag niyo po kalimutan. Okay. Oh.
Oh yeah, me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah, so come here, let me mentor you.
Hello po, Isabella Chavez. Hi, Madi. Na-miss kita. Ano ba tong regalo ko sa'yo? Nung binibili ko kasi to, parang, ay, nakita ko to, parang si Mads to. Ayun. Isipin mo na lang bago mo buksan. Ayan, happy birthday, girl. Stay pure. Yes. Huwag mo nga hayaan na durugin ka ng college kasi magka-college na tayo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you, be.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Isabella. Next time we have Mika Hernandez.
No discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música.
Grabe, pinaikot talaga si Ma'am. Oo, pinaikot ang regalo.
Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como...
Happy birthday, Maddie!
1, 2, charot.
Yung gift ko kay Maddie, pampabawas oiliness because oiliness is equals to ugliness. So, pampabawas ng oiliness na Disney edition kasi ikaw ang princess ng lahat ngayon.
Bongga naman yan, ma. Picture taking sa princess. Alright, thank you so much. Next in line, syempre hindi magpapakabog. Sigrid Balbona! Oh, sinabi ko sa iyo, Sigrid.
Maganda, ay ayaw na, Mark. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I am Sigrid Balbona. fresh from DF. Ang masasabi gift ay pera o kahon. Inisip niya nga. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Sigrid. Nahilo kasi, pasensya na. Nahilo si Sigrid, umikot ng umikot. Okay. Thank you so much. Next, we have Mama Rosemary Larry.
You see me, I do what I gotta do.
Rosalyn Cepeda.
On the guest list, no need to queue. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Well, some say I'm bossy cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what.
Hello po, good evening sa lahat. Ako po si Rosalyn Cepeda, tita ni Madel. Happy birthday, Be! Sa sa ilang bagay na laman nito, lipstick lang ang alam ko kasi hindi ko alam kung ano. Yun, happy birthday, Be! Love you, Be!
Thank you so much, Tita sa lipstick. Alright, next in line we have Jonna Fabian.
She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola.
Love yung energy nila.
Sweet, sweet sugar cola.
Oh, good evening, everyone. My name is Jonna Austin Fabian, Tita of Madel. And yeah, wait, I have a note for you. Okay, yes, prepared. This gift, this presenting the ultimate Kikay kit for the queen. Yes. And every queen deserves a sparkle with a confidence, beauty, and grace. And as you step into the adulthood, may you walk by the grace, faith, and love. And I'm so proud of you, no, and of the amazing woman you're becoming. Yes. Sabi nga, di ba, sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Ayun, happy birthday, Madam. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that inspirational message, Tita. Okay, next we have Mom Alita Lavrias.
Fireball. Gotta do. Oh yeah. On the guest list, no need to queue.
Next in line we have,
Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah.
once again, Miss Mom Alita Lavrias.
Some say I'm bossy cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like casino, I'm Monte Rustino. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, one to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high.
Ay, natanggal na sa pagrampa. Good evening, everyone. I am her parents' teacher in high school. What am I doing here? I'm 70 years old and these lovely girls, basta ang lakas ng loob. Nagtanggal pa ako ng bolero ko kasi sabi kikay. But yung gift ko kasi hindi ko pwedeng iwas-iwas. Si Mama Mary kasi to. So I'm supposed to tell Maddie that Mariology ang gift ko sa kanya. So with complete with light, and there's a wallet to remind her to take care of her wealth. So happy birthday, Maddie. Thank you so much for making me a part of your special moment in your life. This kikay section, hindi ko alam kung paano ko pakikay. Thank you so much.
Ang cute-cute ni Ma'am. Very kikay pa rin naman, Ma'am. Alright, so, next we are together with our debutant. Ay, meron po. Alright. So, kailangan Ma'am pa din po.
Hi guys, good evening. I am Jeff.
Alright, here's Betcha.
At ako ay utusan. Nahihiya daw ko kasi si Mama. And ayun, in behalf of my family, we give this gift to you. And yun, happy birthday ulit. We know na you have everything. You have your family, you have amazing parents, and your friends, and everyone here who loves you. And yun, etong gift na to, ito lang yung dagdag sa collection mo. And yan, happy birthday ulit.
Bangis niyang gumiling ang bangis niyang gumiling ang bangis niyang.
Go! Lower! Grabe si Sir. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Galing mo. Grabe si Oh. Come on, come on. Together with some Lawrence Hermano. Alright. Sige po, okay. Semicircle. And as I mentioned earlier, kayo po ay i-describe po natin si Madeline. For any liquid liquor. Ayan. So, starting po tayo with... Sige po. Okay, may kaguluhan dito. Okay, okay. Ano kaguluhan? Okay, ready? Semicircle. Semicircle na. Okay. So, describe Maddie in the form of any liquor drink. Go.
Family-oriented.
Paano po naging liquor drink ang family-oriented? Sige po, ipasok niyo po yung family-oriented.
Kasi drinks connects family.
Listen. Okay, next. Come on. Sir?
Hi, Mads. Kakarating ko lang, sorry wala nang iba kundi yung paborito namin inumin ni father niya, which is So Nice or Soju. Kasi yung personality ni Madel is so nice, parang soju din, swabe lang, pero may tiin sa dulo eh. Talagang papalag eh. Gaganon. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pass the microphone, sir.
I will describe a Madeline as Hinebra San Miguel. Kasi matapang. Matapang kasi sa lahat ng problema niya. Kayang-kaya niyang solusyonan yun.
So, ako na naman po, di ba? Top na ako dito, pangatlo na. So, I will describe po Maddie sa San Miglaichi po. Kasi favorite ko po yan and favorite person ko po si Maddie. And kasi yung lychee po, di ba, matamis. Kasing sweet din po ni Maddie ang San Miglaichi.
So, I would describe Maddie as GSM Mojito. Dahil patagal ng patagal, pasarap na pasarap.
Okay. Dahil may mojito, dapat may Sprite. Isang set to. Tama? So, kung i-describe ko si Amadi bilang Sprite, yan. Kasi due to her positive energy, positive yan, be. Tandaan mo. Due to her positive energy, para siyang Sprite. So refreshing!
Nice one, Drew.
Hello. Sa akin nasabi ni soju rin kasi
May background music. Parang
so
tuloy ako.
sweet, so nice, sweet sa parents, sweet naman siya sa lahat. Yan lang.
Alright, sa akin naman po, for me, Maddie is like a tequila. Strong, smooth, at mas nagiging better habang tumatagal. Ayan!
Nice one, sir. Next.
Yon!
Yes. Yes, breaks.
Kung i-describe ko si Maddie bilang alak, siya ay isang gin bilog habang tumatagal. Hindi, mali.
Ayusin mo. Mag-aaway kayo mamaya.
Habang tumatagal, mas lalo akong nahulog.
Oh.
Mali. Nahulog!
Describe ko si Maddie as Black Label kasi siya ay strong, bold, and classy with a little bit of sweet sa dulo.
Matik na mabulol. Okay, next.
Kung may i-describe ko si Maddie as a alak, syempre pundador.
Sa una pa lang matapang na, habang tumatagal, palaban ng palaban.
Oh, okay. Next, sir. Kasali po kayo, ha? Okay.
Any kind of
Any kind, sir.
liquid po.
Liquid.
Kung i-describe ko si Madil, para siyang ocean. Ay, layo pa. Hindi, ocean siya kasi mayroon siyang mga likas na yaman na napagbuwan.
Sir, paano iinumin yung ocean pag nalunod? Okay, next.
May di-describe ko si Maddie sa pundador kasi sobrang tapang niya, kaya kanyang ipaglaban basta nasa katuwiran.
Ipaglaban mo.
So,
Okay.
dinidescribe ko si Maddie sa Nobilino Wine dahil siya ay sweet person and also her heart is soft, gentle, comforting, and thoughtful.
Huwag yun mausarin. Maiiyak na eh. Okay. Next, sir.
Yun, dinidescribe ko si Maddie sa Tanduay Cocktails kasi tulad ng Tanduay, siya ay sweet, thoughtful, and brings people together with warmth.
May script to si sir. Oh. Ready? Okay, last.
Wala pa. So, ayun, ubos na. Pero i-deserve ko si Maddie bilang tupa. Alam nyo ba? Dahil nakakamatay ang ganda niya.
Tuba. Nakakamatay yung tuba. Okay. So, bigyan mo natin. Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3.
3 shots, 4. Take that bottom to the head. One fucking more. Drink.
Cheers in 3, 2, 1.
Cheers. Desce até o chão, esse é o bonde do Brunão. Desce até o chão, esse é o bonde do Brunão. Rebola for Brunão, bola for Brunão. Rebola for
We would like to thank all of the people who've attended po yung birthday celebration ng anak ko. Maraming salamat po. Alam po namin na nanggaling pa po kayo sa malalayong lugar, sa malalayong lupalop ng Pilipinas. Thank you. Dahil kahit inabot po kayo ng siyam-siyam sa traffic ng Las Piñas, welcome po sa Marcos Alvarez. Opo. Thank you po sa mga co-teachers ko and then sa Sowers family, sa Flames of Fire for Jesus. Thank you po sa inyo at syempre po sa mga kapitbahay po namin, sa family, sa relatives namin. Maraming salamat po.
Copy paste. Pwede. Ay, sige. Unang-una siguro, pasalamat po ako sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po. Binanggit niya na, pero gusto ko pa rin ulitin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta. At sana po ay enjoy po kayo sa aming celebration ng aming unika iha. Ayun. Siguro, ang message ko sa iyo, ate, yun. Ang wish ko lang, sana wag muna madali. Okay, nagkusap naman na tayo. Though, syempre, alam ko, pumapayag ako na meron kang boyfriend, para at least inspirasyon sa buhay. Pero sana, wag ka munang pumunta dun sa kasi gusto pa kitang makita na ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Gusto ko pang ma-enjoy, gusto ko pang makitang nag-enjoy ka sa pag work na, yung sahod mo na-spend mo para gumala, punta sa gusto mong puntahan na lugar, bumili ka ng gusto mo. So, yun. Sana gusto ko pang makita yun ng matagal pa. And thank you ate. Kasi so birthday mo ngayon, pero itong celebration na to is sa amin is fulfillment din as a parang sobrang swerte namin, honored, blessed dahil na-fulfill namin yung duty namin as a parent sa'yo. Naibigay namin sa'yo yung dapat para sa'yo. So sana nag-enjoy ka ate. Ayan. I love you ate.
Thank you so much for that heartfelt message. Alright, sige po.
Hindi ako compare pero thank you for being my big sister and thank you for
Hug mo si ate. Ayan. Iyak po si Grabe. Sige po. Sino ba umabos sila? Bakit ba sinaiyak kayo? Kinamay ka ba ni ate? Oo. Hindi niya ba binigay yung favorite mo na candy? O... Okay.
thank you po ate. Thank you for being there for me at hard times. Thank you for everything. So,
That's so sweet. Grabe po ba? Mabigat ka na Mabigat ka. Malapakan naman natin the family of our celebrant, ladies and gents. Maraming salamat po sa mga heartfelt message po na niyo. And ladies and gents, tonight, celebration tells me it's the best demonstration of gratitude in response to a wonderful experience like this. One can be contained in an overwhelming thank you. And if there's one person here tonight who is grateful to see all of you, that would be our lovely debutants. Sige, I'm giving the floor to Maddie to give thanks to everyone.
good evening po. As you can see, napakaiyakin ko. Pasensya naman. Ayan, so, una-una lahat sa lahat po, I would like to thank God for this blessing that here. Ano yan? Wala pa nga eh. Nahiyan. I know. Alam ko na hindi naging madali po para sa lahat na pumunta dito because of the traffic and all the inconvenience. But you're all still here. I appreciate all of you. Thank you po. And also po, wala! Don't call me, ah! I would like to extend my gratitude to my parents kasi even though we know I'm in the situation, they never make me feel that I'm a mistake or they never make me feel that I am something that hindi, hindi never live with. But they're so grateful to be there to me and thank you, Mommy and Daddy, and also Thea. Thank you for always being there for me. And to my best friend, Mommy. I know na dami kong circle of friends, na dami kong community na nagtatahan. My mom will always be my best friend. Dahil bukod sa tali ko siya. Ayan. Ang galing ko kasi yan. And each and every one of you po, from my classmates, to Salibad, thank you so much guys for the never-ending support. And also, to my junior high school friends, I love you so much guys. Na-miss ko kayo. Magbabatik tayo mamaya. And then, thank you so much po to my family as well. Society Mommy and Society Daddy. I appreciate po kayong lahat. So, we're family. Thank you po. Thank you so much. And FOM, Flames of Fire for Jesus. Community, thank you so much po. I would like to explain so may gratitude po sa mga coordinators. I love you guys! Sobrang OA nyo. Kasing OA ko na kayo. Ayan. And also po sa mga tao na tumulong sa parents ko when they're having so much when they're having hard times in their lives, sila Papa Romy, Mama Mercy, and also to my lolas and lolas as well. Thank you so much po. And ano po ba? Thank you so much. Hello. Ayan. Thank you so much to all the suppliers po. Hello. Ayan. Nag-effort din po. Of course, Jax. Yes. Wow. Special mention. And also kay Ma'am Ann. Ma'am Ann, thank you so much po for supplying the souvenirs, the fragrance po. And also sa, ayan, thank you so much po to the venue sa Villa Caranzo Resort. Thank you so much po. Ayan. And also to our host, Candice, thank you so much po sa inyo ang pagpapasaya sa amin tonight. And also to the PV team, Tito Al, nandun kayo, ayun. Thank you so much po. And Tito Wilmar, and Tito Troy, sorry po. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Ganda po.
Once again, lahat po ng ating mga bisita, all our guests, kasya yan. Pagkakasyahin natin. Once again, we would like to thank our suppliers for tonight's event. Our venue, Villa Caranzo, thank you so much. Our caterer, Antonius Catering. Also, our photo booth and photo and video team, Jack Events Management. Also, our perfume bar for your souvenirs, AG Silvercrest Perfumes. At syempre po ang ating lights and sounds, Odyssey Sounds and Lights together with our magaling na DJ, EJ. Thank you so much. And here's truly, I would like to take this opportunity to please do like my Facebook page as well, Events MC and Singer by Candice. Alright, so picture lang po ito. This is the last part of our program. Kaya naman samahan niyo naman si Amanda Lee. Smile! Okay. Waki pose. Waki, yung pinakamasayang pose natin. Stand by po tayo. We'll be having our video. Okay, at the count of 3, let us all shout, welcome to womanhood in 3,